Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer questions from the chapter De Moivre's theorem. Let us see question. If n is an integer and z equals to cis theta, where theta not equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, then show that z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1 equals to iota into tan n theta. So this is the required proof. So to get the required proof, we can use the given data. Let us write given data first. Given that z equals to cis theta. So cis theta, this is the short form of z. So we have to write its original form. We can write its original form. Original form of cis theta is cos theta plus iota sin theta. C for cos theta plus iota into sin theta. Now by simplifying LHS we can prove RHS. So let us take LHS. Z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. Now we can substitute z. Given z, we can substitute cos theta plus iota sin theta. Power 2n is there now, so whole power 2n. Next we have minus 1. Write minus 1 as it is. Whole divided by same z. Substituting z as cos theta plus iota sin theta. Whole power 2n plus 1. Now we can apply De Moivre's theorem. If you remind De Moivre's theorem, cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power n equals to cos n theta plus iota into sin n theta. So according to De Moivre's theorem, just power multiplied to angle. So here we can apply that concept, De Moivre's theorem. So just 2n we have to multiply here as well as here. So on multiplying 2n here, cos 2n theta it become cos 2n theta plus iota into sin 2n theta minus 1 as it is, whole divided by same cos 2n theta plus iota into sin 2n theta plus 1. Now time to remind trigonometry formulas. If you assume n theta as theta or n theta as a, it look like cos 2a. Here also it look like cos 2a. Cos 2a formula, we have two formulas for cos 2a. So depending on situation we have to use cos 2a formula. So one of the two formulas is 2 cos square a minus 1 and another one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Depending on situation you have to select formula. So cos 2a, when I saw here minus 1, I want to select plus 1 involved formula. So plus 1 involved formula, because in further step we can cancel minus 1 plus 1. So cos 2a formula, plus 1 involved formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. What is a here? N theta. Cos 2a. If you assume n theta as a, it look like cos 2a. Na? So a is n theta. N theta plus iota into, this is sin 2a. Sin 2a we have formula 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. So again a is n theta. Sin 2a, 2 sin a n theta cos a n theta minus 1 as it is, whole divided by, now same cos 2a formula, but this time when I saw here plus 1, I would like to select minus 1 involved formula. For cos 2a I told you minus 1 involved formula, plus 1 involved formula. We have both the formulas. So this time we have to select minus 1 involved formula. So cos 2a, 2 cos square a. What is a here? Again n theta. 2 cos square a minus 1 plus iota into sin 2a formula. 2 sin a cos a. So plus 1 as it is. Okay. So just these two formulas used in this step. Now we can cancel minus 1 plus 1. Here also we can cancel plus 1 minus 1. Now this minus 2 sin square n theta. Okay. In overall step we have only this minus. So very important step. This is how to remember. So when I saw in required proof iota, so we wanted to introduce iota here. Iota, how can we introduce iota? You see here minus 1. Minus 2 is nothing but 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. That minus 1 I would like to replace with iota square, because we already know that iota square value minus 1. So introduce here. Minus 1 can be replaced with iota square. So in place of minus 1 I can write iota square. 2 iota square sin square n theta plus this is 2 iota sin n theta cos n theta whole divided by, so remaining terms we can write as it is, 2 cos square n theta plus 2 iota sin n theta into cos n theta. So the only change we have done is minus 1 replaced with iota square. Remaining terms we wrote same. Now think about common taking up. So if I observe carefully from the numerator, I can take 2 iota sin n theta. So overall we are going to get 2 iota into sin n theta is the common term. So after taking 2 iota sin n theta from first term, we left with more iota into iota square. So sin n theta, one more sin n theta term remain. Iota sin n theta plus, so after taking 2 iota sin n theta common, we left with cos n theta. Cos n theta whole divided by, from denominator clearly we can see 2 cos n theta common, 2 cos n theta, yes, 2 cos n theta common. After taking 2 cos n theta common, we left with cos n theta plus iota. After taking 2 cos n theta common, we left with iota sin n theta. Iota sin n theta. Now if I observe numerator and denominator, 2 same terms can be cancelled. Now if I observe these two terms, cos n theta plus iota sin n theta, almost all this is also same thing, cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. So just position of terms are different but same terms. So both the terms, same terms can be cancelled. So now we can write iota into sin n theta by cos n theta. Sin theta by cos theta formula, sin theta by cos theta formula known as tan theta. So sin n theta by cos n theta become tan n theta. So iota into tan n theta is the required answer. RHS. LHS is equals to RHS.